you've forgotten to eat your bread and it's gone stale. There's still no flashing light. Good! So today I'm going to show you a traditional English recipe for the people who buy too much bread. This is my bread and butter pudding recipe.
This is a demo sound of YummySounds.com.
I don't have a recipe, so let's wing it and we'll see what happens. So you need bread, a little bit stale, not mould, or if there's mould you just shave off the mouldy bits, and some caster sugar, vanilla extract, some cream, double, some jam, big jug of milk, sultanas, eggs! I don't really know how many. Get a chopping board so you keep your surfaces nice and clean. I think I'm gonna get some slices of bread. How many? Get a couple. Let's go big. Many slices of bread as you think would fill that dish. Oh shit, I forgot to say butter, some butter. Not sponsored by Tesco, I just can't afford Waitrose. This is actually the best bit of the video. After this you can just turn it off. I'm going to start off by buttering all of our slices of bread. My bread started going off a few days ago, so I put it in the freezer. That's another top tip for today. Butter just glides on so nicely. We're going to run out of space actually. Ah! Gosh. Yeah. More. I think a really good plane just went by. I just really like jam. That'll do. You do want all of your slices jammed. So now I say it's time to preheat the oven. I think everything that goes in the oven goes in about 180 degrees centigrade. Now I'm just going to chop the bread into triangles. This makes it pretty. I've got a very oversized knife to do this, but okay, so you're gonna chop them all into little triangles. I mean, you can't do little triangles. So in quarters, diamond triangles. You can either keep it going all the way along, just like this. Have them facing each other, or maybe going round in a circle. Some pieces of crust are actually going above the rim of the dish rim. We're going to make the wet bit, the sauce, the filling, custard, cream to cover it all with. As I said, I'm not following a recipe because it's more interesting if you live life, not by books. Some milk. Okay, so I kind of want all of my bits of bread to be wet. I'm going to eyeball all of this, as you can see. A little bit more. You know, it'd be really good actually if you whisk some eggs in this before you put the milk in. Let's start again. But that's why we always go for a spouted jug. Right, I have relatively small eggs. Let's go with 3. Well, maybe 2 will be okay actually. And a splash of milk. 2 splashes of milk. That looks good. A little bit more. You only need a tiny little bit. That's probably too much. Let's clean up. I like things to be very, very sweet. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of sugar onto this bread and butter pudding. Oh. Oh. Use a spoon. Pretty much everything, isn't it? Should we just maybe mix this up a little bit first? I'm just pouring it nice and evenly. You've got some crispy bits, just don't soak it all. It's not for the faint-hearted. I think it's fine. I really love sultanas, so just put a moderate amount. It's likely that the one's really high up, that on top, it's going to go quite crispy and has that charred flavour. I don't like that. Top it off with a final little sprinkle of some more sugar, because at the end of the day, this isn't savoury. And then you have something that's a little bit like that. I'm just going to pop it in the oven for 30 minutes, maybe 45. It's meant to go quite goldeny coloured. Oh. I'll see you then. It's ready. Do I have any lemongrass actually? I'm ready, and I'm going to just turn the oven off. That looks right. I've got my finger. See it bubbles? I don't know if it's meant to bubble. I'm gonna get a plate so you can see what it looks like when it's cut up. Oh look, it's okay. The trick is to try and keep all these little triangles looking neat. Just like that. I'm gonna get a photo of bread and butter pudding. I want to see if that actually looks like bread and butter pudding. Hang on. Ignore the cracks all over my screen. There you go.